So you're getting back into the climbing for the first time after the great rest, and your hands are peeling, your fingers are tired, and you can't do climbing sessions as long as you wish you could because your skin just can't handle the rock. Well, you may be considering Climbskin as an alternative to help you. One of the great things about Climbskin is you can use it before and after a climbing session to help you with not only that tactile feeling that you need with your hands, but also the endurance that your skin needs to keep climbing. Now, I've been using Climb On for a really long time, and it's a great product. It helps soothe your skin so you feel better, and it helps with the healing process. But I was really interested in preventing these issues in the first place. When I Googled it, I went on a ton of Reddit sites. They all recommended Climbskin. It was shipped to me pretty quickly, and I was excited to get started using it. Now, based on what I learned from other climbers, all you had to do was take a little bit of the cream, really not very much. Just put it on your fingertips and then rub your entire hands. It can get on your palms, on everything. Rub it in, and within a few minutes it's fully absorbed into your hands, so you don't have to worry about that greasiness, which is very common with really any other product. After about an hour or so, your hands are good to go. Go ahead and chalk up and start climbing. I was really happy with what I learned. I was able to climb longer and my skin was able to handle more. And this isn't just your regular, oh, your skin builds up and toughens up over time with climbing. This was a quick response. I was able to climb longer, actually quite fast in comparison to what I would have needed to do to just build up that skin toughness without any assistance. With that being said, there was a learning curve. For example, you put something on your hands an hour before you go climbing, and I would start noticing, I was like, oh, I have these little skin things, I need to sand that off. So I'd be sanding it off, and this thought would go through my head, am I sanding off the Climbskin? Or I'd have to use the restroom before I went climbing and I have to wash my hands. And the thought went through my head, am I washing off the Climbskin? And that's something that I'm still not sure about. It does absorb into your hands, and it is better than having not done it at all. But there are some things that's not as simple as just put it on an hour before and you're good to go. Because it's likely you might have to make yourself a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You get jelly on your fingers and have to wash your hands. Like it's not very common for people to go an hour without doing anything with their hands at all, right? So keep that in mind if you're considering Climbskin. Also, what I noticed is though it was great for preventing skin issues, there was one day where I was really trying to get footage for you guys for this video that I'm working on, and I went in a morning session, did a bunch of climbs, and then after a couple hours, I came home, I recouped, and I went back to the gym that night to try a second climbing session to get the footage I wanted. Now, after that second footage, as you can imagine, my hands were throbbing. My skin was really tired and sore. I put on the Climbskin, but it did not give me the relief that I was looking for. So on top of the Climbskin, I also used Climb On, which gave me that soothing feeling that I wanted at that moment as my hands were on fire. So if you are looking for something that's soothing, this is supposed to be somewhat soothing, but in comparison to other Climbskin products, it's not as soothing as Joshua Tree or Climb On. So would I recommend that you get Climbskin? Well, it is $24, which is a little bit more expensive than Climb On or Joshua Tree, but I would highly recommend it for anyone that wants to prevent skin issues or is getting back into climbing after a long time and has noticed that their skin needs to toughen up a little bit faster than you would from just climbing frequently. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And comment below, are there any other products that you'd like to see reviewed here? I'm happy to give them a try, and if I like it, I'll definitely let you know. If I don't like it, you'll know that too. Thanks again for watching, and enjoy climbing out there, guys.